Radhe Radhe, I am Pavitra from 8th standard from Little Flower English Medium School. Let me discuss a new topic about simple speaking skills. I want to explain with formulas to understand better. There are 6 types of sentences: assertive sentence, positive, assertive sentence, negative, start with auxiliary positive, start with auxiliary negative, start with WH positive, start with WH negative. Now I want to explain start with auxiliary positive and start with auxiliary negative in simple future tense. Simple future tense. Note: use only will and V1 verbs. Start with auxiliary positive formula. Will plus I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus V1 plus object plus question mark. For example, will I buy the book? Will we buy the book? Will you buy the book? Will they buy the book? Will he buy the book? Will she buy the book? Will it buy the book? Will I sing a song? Will we sing a song? Will you sing a song? Will they sing a song? Will he sing a song? Will she sing a song? Will Ram sing a song? Will I smile in the class? Will we smile in the class? Will you smile in the class? Will they smile in the class? Will he smile in the class? Will she smile in the class? Will Ram smile in the class? Will I stop the bus? Will we stop the bus? Will you stop the bus? Will they stop the bus? Will he stop the bus? Will she stop the bus? Will Ram stop the bus? Will I accept the request? Will we accept the request? Will you accept the request? Will they accept the request? Will he accept the request? Will Ram accept the request? Will I add few topics? Will we add few topics? Will you add few topics? Will they add few topics? Will he add few topics? Will she add few topics? Will Ram add few topics? Will I agree the answer? Will we agree the answer? Will you agree the answer? Will they agree the answer? Will he agree the answer? Will she agree the answer? Will Ram agree the answer? Will I kill the mosquitoes? Will we kill the mosquitoes? Will you kill the mosquitoes? Will they kill the mosquitoes? Will he kill the mosquitoes? Will she kill the mosquitoes? Will Ram kill the mosquitoes? Will I migrate to Delhi? Will we migrate to Delhi? Will you migrate to Delhi? Will they migrate to Delhi? Will he migrate to Delhi? Will she migrate to Delhi? Will Ram migrate to Delhi? Second one. Start with auxiliary negative. Formula: one plus I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus V1 plus object plus question mark. For example, won't I buy the book? Won't we buy the book? Won't you buy the book? Won't they buy the book? Won't he buy the book? Won't she buy the book? Won't Sita buy the book? Won't I sing a song? Won't we sing a song? Won't you sing a song? Won't they sing a song? Won't he sing a song? Won't she sing a song? Won't Sita sing a song? Won't I smile in the class? Won't we smile in the class? Won't you smile in the class? Won't they smile in the class? Won't he smile in the class? Won't she smile in the class? Won't Sita smile in the class? Won't I stop the bus? Won't we stop the bus? Won't you stop the bus? Won't they stop the bus? Won't he stop the bus? Won't she stop the bus? Won't Sita stop the bus? Won't I accept the request? Won't we accept the request? Won't you accept the request? Won't they accept the request? Won't he accept the request? Won't she accept the request? Won't Sita accept the request? Won't I add few topics? Won't we add few topics? Won't you add few topics? Won't they add few topics? Won't he add few topics? Won't she add few topics? Won't Sita add few topics? Won't I agree the answer? Won't we agree the answer? Won't you agree the answer? Won't they agree the answer? Won't he agree the answer? Won't she agree the answer? Won't Sita agree the answer? Won't I kill the mosquitoes? Won't we kill the mosquitoes? Won't you kill the mosquitoes? Won't they kill the mosquitoes? Won't he kill the mosquitoes? Won't she kill the mosquitoes? Won't Sita kill the mosquitoes? Won't I migrate to Delhi? Won't we migrate to Delhi? Won't you migrate to Delhi? Won't they migrate to Delhi? Won't she migrate to Delhi? Won't he migrate to Delhi? Won't Sita migrate to Delhi? Won't I call to John? Won't we call to John? Won't you call to John? Won't they call to John? Won't she call to John? Won't he call to John? Won't Sita call to John? Thank you.